Hi, this is an advanced way for setting up a shortcut in Logger. The first thing I'm going to do is enter PPT, which used to be my PowerPoint shortcut, but you can see I'm getting a file not found error. Do want to retry? I say no. So now what I want to do is, I had just upgraded to PowerPoint 2010 from 2007 or 2003, and so the shortcut's not pointing to the right location. So just delete that. So what I have to do is I have to run PowerPoint. So I'm going to come down here and find PowerPoint and run it. And PowerPoint starting on another window. I'll pull it over here. Okay, so PowerPoint starts. Now I come back to Logger and type in Task Manager, and I have to find PowerPoint on this list, and so I'm going to scroll it down. And here it is right here. Now I'm going to right click it, open file location, and okay, I'm going to hide the Logger window by just pressing escape, and here's PowerPoint here, and I just want to right click this little yellow folder, and I'll get the actual location highlighted. So I'm going to copy it to the clipboard with Control-C. I'm going to open Logger again, and I start the shortcut. So I type in shortcut, SC for shortcut, comma, PPT for PowerPoint, comma, I'm going to enter a quote, double quote, paste in that value which I copied, which is this. I'm going to add a slash, and it was PowerPoint.exe. I can actually click it twice and it's allowing me to rename it. I'm going to highlight the rest of it, Control-C, press escape to get out of that, come up to Logger, Control-V to paste it, add a closing quote, comma, and then I can call it PowerPoint, which is a description. So each shortcut takes 4 parameters. SC tells it that we're defining a shortcut, comma. The next thing is the name of the shortcut, in this case PPT, comma. Then in this case we're using a exe file which we put in double quotes, and then the final parameter is just a comment on what it is. And once I have that, I press enter, and it's asking me, and you can see it was pointing to Office 11, and we're now running Office 14. So I'm going to say yes to replace it, and it goes away. And now let me close all of this stuff, my test window, and then here's PowerPoint, and I'll close that, and I come back here, and if I type in PPT, we will start PowerPoint, and you see it started right here. And that's just one way to add a shortcut. And now whenever I want PowerPoint, I can quickly come to the Logger window, type in PPT, and have access to it, instead of minimizing all the windows, going to the start button, moving the mouse around a lot.